Hey guys, Mr. Bowman here. The learning objective for this video is in white, and we are learning to calculate the standard deviation in inverse normal distribution questions. We're going to get straight into the question in green. Mr. Bowman is tracking the age of those who test positive for COVID-19. The mean is currently 58.7 years old. So as we're doing or reading our question, let's draw a normal distribution graph and let's input the numbers that we know as we continue reading. So we know the mean 58.7. If only 1% of those who catch COVID-19 are under 40, what is the standard deviation? So we know from that the bottom 1%, so very, very small value, they are the people who are under 40, and the area of those people is 0.01. And the thing we don't know is the standard deviation, and that's what we need to figure out. The first step, just like the mean, we are looking to calculate the z value for that 40. So how many standard deviations away from the mean is that group? And to solve that, we need to draw another normal distribution curve, a standard normal distribution curve. So we know that bottom group, they relate to 0.01 or 1% of the data. And we need to find out how many standard deviations is that away from the mean, and that's the z value. In a standard curve, we know the mean is 0, and we know the standard deviation is always going to be equal to 1. Based on our calculator approach, we know the tail, that's going to be left because we're dealing with the left side of the data. We know the area is going to be 0.01 because that's the probability of those under 40. We know the standard deviation is always equal to 1, and we know the mean is going to be equal to 0. If we put that in our graphics calculator, the z value will come to negative 2.3263, and I've rounded that to 4 decimal points. At this point here, I'm going to change pen colors. I'm going to go for blue. That's the first step. The next step is to work with our z formula to calculate the missing variable, or in our case, the missing variable is the standard deviation. So we know the z, we've just calculated that, so the z value, negative 2.3263, that is going to be equal to the x value, which is 40, the mean, which is 58.7, and all of that gets divided by the standard deviation. But we don't know what that is, so we're going to leave our standard deviation symbol. So at this point here, you are not expected to know how to solve this algebraically. You can use the solver function in your calculator, but we're going to continue with this question algebraically to calculate what that standard deviation is. Negative 2.3263 times the standard deviation is equal to negative 18.7. The standard deviation is equal to negative 18.7 divided by negative 2.3263. And if we get that in our calculator, the answer comes out as 8.03. And that's been rounded to 2 dp. That means the standard deviation for the COVID-19 data Mr. Bowman is looking at is about 8 years old, or 8 years. Hopefully you found this video useful. Don't forget, if you're looking to calculate the mean, the x value, or the z value, there are separate videos on those. Now let's get into some questions.